welcome back to another episode here on our channel, another Sunday cooking episode. Hope you guys are all well. So we've just got it's a very simple Sunday. I know I keep saying that a lot, it's a simple Sunday, but it's not. But today's just going to be really simple, just we'll try and see if we can do a luau, chop suey and soup. So fairly straightforward menu, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and I just want to say thank you again, guys, for the support on the channel. Really appreciate it. Let's get started, guys, and yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for tuning in to our channel. We're finally here with the results, so I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did make. Start off on this side, we've got the stir fry mamoi with tomato and cabbage. We've got our luau reheated from the umu last week. Got our taro. Got our chop suey, mamoi chop suey with bok choy and spring onions. Then we've got our soup with carrots, potato, pumpkin, noodles, watercress, and shin bones. Try and find a shin bone in there somewhere, but it's in there. Alright guys. Oh, not forgetting our hot sauce. Jeez, look at that baby. So good. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe.